we gotta hate. Some people going out looking down the barrel of their fate with the cold look in the killer's eyes. Support to bring a man blind. Niggas die with this violent state of mind. Who got the juice? Don't wanna end up with your neck around the noose. Never keep your grip loose, 'cause when it comes down, never make a sound. Hold your own ground. These brothers ain't never gonna come around, right? Wrong. Why can't we spread peace, love, and positivity? Why are we always trying to be the ones who hold the most immunity? Is it cause we scared to face responsibility? Too many young brethren died in these streets. Getting harder to stay comfy in these sheets. They say all you need is love, but who's to love when they all gone and they up above? Forgive me, God, I know you're up there. I just need some wisdom, a peace of mind to share with the rest of mankind. Feel like we all going blind. Gotta put my sense in, so a brother won't go with dancing. His body, soul, and mind, one of a kind. I won't sleep until I get mine. So quick to grab a 9, to kill a brother ever so close to mine. R.I.P. to ain't here, I love you all. I just want a brother to call my own family. Approach a brother on the street, assume he ain't friendly. That I want your life, it'll end deadly. I wanna spread love, sanity, a pretty medley. While I hold this mic ever so steady, ready to go in at any time I'm ready. Never question, I'm edgy, don't push me, I'm close to the edge, or I will bring out the lyrical sledge.